Hello and welcome to another Salesforce and Trailhead tutorial with myself, Jonathan Fox, and today I'm not in my usual office space, so no camera on today, but I just wanted to give a super quick video on the local development server and how useful it can actually be. So before we get started, we're just going to have a quick look over here, and we look on the developer forum. Make sure you have installed this plugin using the SFDX CLI. Once you have got that, you can also go ahead and install the mobile ones if you're into developing iOS and Android apps for Salesforce. Otherwise, heading over to VS Code, if we go and get rid of that for now, and we can either right click and preview component locally, or you can use the SFDX command line to start this local development server, and as you can see, opens up a new window, localhost, and you can see your component, and you can actually see it working. So we can actually have a really quick test and see how things work whilst still within our VS Code and not having to push to our org every time. Now I'm going to save that. Now yes, it does push down here to the org. I've cancelled it just before it did, so this is only save. This hasn't actually pushed to the org, and you can see it's updated already, which is fantastic, and it means that we can have a near enough live preview of what the component looks like. However, it is in beta and there are still a couple of things that you won't be able to do. So for example, this Lightning Web component uses Lightning Message Channel, so if we were to preview this one locally, you will be met with something like this. Oh, by the way, there you go. You can use your Android emulator, iOS simulator. You need the Android Studio and Xcode with a bunch of emulators downloaded if you want to use those, by the way. Let's open that one. So now this component could not be compiled, and the way that we can see why it couldn't be compiled, and for example in this one, we open our browser's developer console, and we can see down here there is an error. Not particularly useful to see what exactly was wrong. Go ahead and click on this link here, and we click the one above it, and we actually have a look at the error. It tells us that could not load the Lightning Message Channel, and if we scroll all the way to the end, you can see that it's not supported for the local development server just yet. So we can see, if we want to, we can see exactly why it's not. So we have a limit to what we can see here. However, it's still pretty useful. Thank you very much for listening, and if you enjoyed this, please do like, share or subscribe, but most of all, please do stick a comment in the comments below. Just let me know if you want to see anything different next time or how you found this one. Until next time, thank you.